quick, get around to the right. Bites, Andrew? Nothing?
Tons of bites.
Tons of bites, yeah, big bites.
Oh no.
Hey, we won't be as slow anymore.
We're all connected.
Bummer.
Section B goes from Little Hole to the Brown Park, Jarvie Ranch area. A lot further to drive to drop off shuttle cars. There is a really famous good rapid called the Red Creek Rapid. And after that, the water changes. So it's kind of two different rivers, above Red Creek and below Red Creek.
So when I was a scout, we used to go camping at a spot. It was kind of on this little peninsula. And so you can go out and play, there's water all around or whatever. But one time, one of the guys comes walking back towards the camp,
we sacrificed
blue
them.
heron. He caught it by my
Sacrifice the blue boat.
He went and was sitting there. He went and he caught the thing. It bit his finger. He had like his finger.
But he still hung on to it.
Yeah, we're good. You're the one that is awesome. We're gonna need to split apart pretty soon here. We're amazing.
Catches that fish and pulls in his pole.
No way.
Yeah. So,
Wow.
we better split up. Split up. Split up. Good
away from
job
the
breaking
sorry.
the boat. The way they boat.
Here, let's keep going over to this side.
Oh my gosh!
It's like, no, we might have been a little bit too close to that.
Grasshopper
How about
camp.
now? What does it look like?
Going right in the middle. Holy crap, we're going left. Also, yeah, where'd that blue boat go? They were behind us, right?
They're swimming.
Oh, I see.
Think it's an osprey.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Like that one. Sorry.
Oh no.
You could call it.
Now push him away. No. We gotta go. We gotta launch Adam into the water.
Wait, what the? How did you get us
Uh-huh.
There we are.
They're ducks in the head in after something. You must have found a bunch of little.
That is cool.
Cow flies. What's the difference between cow flies and flies? What exists and what
I
doesn't?
don't know. I never heard of cow flies.
Cow flies.
But I've seen flies on cows.
Maybe that's what a cow fly is.
If there's horse flies and deer flies, it must be cow flies.
There you go. I'm going with Grant.
Elephant flies. Those are big.
That was
Flies the size of elephants.
Big pine.
Did we bring a net?
No, I left it. Very deep.
Yeah. Didn't even touch it.
Feels good.
You say what now?
That's a good guess.
The big rabbit.
Red Creek Rapid.
The myth.
No, it's yours.
We all need to just dig in and do it. And then keep feet tucked in, your toes underneath, you know, so you've got a little bit of a anchor on your feet. Right, that's fun. We are keep that one. Alright, that's fun though.
Some rocks to avoid. I have to go kind of wide left.
Okay, paddle hard.
Look at that thing on the left that we did not go over. There's a gigantic something over there. That was really fun.
Here we go.
I think blue's going left. Or right.
Oh, they're good. Okay, if we can get over across the other side, that'd be good.
Yeah, let's do that.
This
Yeah.
is a little bit too shallow. Power through this one.
And we're going right over this rock.
You might be able to kind of go between these two and spin over to the other side. Yeah, just like that. Yeah.
Nice.
All right, paddle hard, hard, hard. Let's get in there.
We're going sideways. Paddle harder on the right.
There we go. Oh yeah.
Well, and here's Red Creek coming in. Look at the color of that water.
Paddle. Paddle. That sandbar. I mean, the one on the right.
They said the fishing gets worse after Red Creek for that reason. Yeah.
Was that the rapid?
That was it.
Paddle on the right.
That crazy how the water's just green on one side and brown on the other.
Like a scale or something.
I can't remember which, but two of the like 6 major oceans they meet, and it's just like they look completely different, and there's just like a wall.
They all blue.
I don't know. That's
An interesting formation. Sounds like another good one coming up. Go shoot the bee. Let's see where the bees are flying.
Okay.
yeah, right straight here.
Oh yeah!
Woohoo!
That way. There you go.
You just paddle backwards our side for a minute.
Like the fake worms work pretty good and stuff like this because yeah, because worms, you know, where there's a lot of mud, it brings worms with it. Rocks are.
I think it's. Oh yeah, it's nice and deep. Oh, we're chilling. You're chilling.
It was 10 inches deep just back there, so. Nice.
Excellent form.
The bull sharks come up this river too. So I don't think they come up from Mexico, but into Colorado it's too much. Up in the Ohio.
I like it.
Nice, Grant.
Pacific where the sharks are up.
Oh, Grant, you better swim, bro.
That would have been fun, but it looks like it's probably shallow.
We're gonna have to start paddling.
Yes, we would.
Oh, I love that.
That feels really good. Yeah, let's blow the flies away.
Yeah, Oh, that feels actually so nice.
That feels really good.
Just about.
You don't have to be like that.
No, it's like when people that you're driving and they're like, are we there yet? You're like, you think I should be driving if we were there?
I know. I'm not having it again.
Sure,